What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to make a Roblox avatar taller and how we can do this. So let me directly get into the step. So this is quite easy as it is. All we have to do is we just need to go over here on a Google Chrome and make sure that is signed in on the Roblox account. So right now over here, as you can see, I've already signed in with my account, and right now once afterwards you have to go over here at the top left on the navigation. Now from here you have to click on avatar. Now once you get into this, what we need to do is we just need to make a few changes in your avatar over here. So the first one is all about just go over here, click on head and body, and right now from here what we need to do is we just need to click on the head and body and navigate to scale option. Now this is my avatar over here, and make sure that the body type should be R15, and right now what I'm going to do is I'm having the parameters like height, width, head and proportions. I'm going to set the height into the maximum, then I'm going to reduce the width into 0, and also I'm going to keep the head into none over here like this. And right now as you can see, even I'm going to set the proportions into 0 over here like this, and if I change the proportions, as you can see from the first one which was there by default, and right now if you look at the image over here, you can see the Roblox avatar looks like completely different and it's quite bigger in size, which means it's taller. So this is how we can do this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.